Oh, mate. Right, good. Hello, welcome back everybody. Part 6, Opel Monza.
Yep.
Today, Sam, we're going to
hopefully crack that crank nut off, get the pulley off, change the pump, get all the belts back on. Probably have a good clean up there as well because it's still dirty. I meant to clean it but I forgot. Yeah. And hopefully get the front end back together properly.
Yeah, so
which would be nice.
We'll take you around, we'll show you. You can remember from, I think it was part 4, wasn't it, where we kind of come to a grinding halt, didn't we? It was a bit unfortunate, but we'll carry on. We'll take you where we're at. Sam's done some work to the front of the car. He's got some new bits, shiny bits, so we'll show you
them. Yeah.
Ooh, exciting. Right, cool.
Let's get that whirly out, shall we? Should we get that whirly out?
So Sam's rocking the new merch. Gonna do it as a spin in a minute.
Yeah.
Right, so Sam's just having a quick clean up. As you've seen from part 4 of the video, oh wow, that looks really good actually. Taking loads of gunk off it, but we want to get this water pump off. So Sam has got himself, where is it?
Well, we borrowed a bag of niceness.
Look at this.
I got a proper, I think that was the one I charged up.
Hopefully.
There we go.
So hopefully this should get it, because as you've seen from before, we had a bit of...
It didn't want to come off, did it?
No. But yeah, just back to the nice merch. How's your merch, Sam?
It's merchy.
Looking good, man. Looking good. Yeah, right, so we'll crack on. Right, so Sam's on. Let's see if we can get it off. Ooh. Oh, mate.
Right tools, right job. There you go.
Yeah, it's easy as that then, basically, wasn't it?
Yep.
So yeah, that bugger's off.
Right, now I just need to double check because there's usually a keyway on a crank pulley, but there might not be, so
let's double check, eh?
We'll be careful.
Alright.
Probably give that a bit clean out as well.
Yeah. Good job Sam checked really, there is a keyway on this. Let's see if I can zoom in and show you all.
Just there.
Oh, zoom in. Yeah.
That just probably means it'll only go back on one way.
Yeah, which is good.
Yeah. Right.
Cool. So we've got the old pump out.
Yeah.
I don't know if you want to show them, Sam, but it wasn't in a good state, was it?
No. So, prime. That is the reason for doing this.
Yeah.
Just for comparison, there's the new one.
Yeah.
So, and also, I don't actually think it's moving.
Now the actual spindle, you move the spindle.
So
it's
the impellers just come completely free. So that pump was doing
naff all, really.
Precisely nothing, so which is what's the word?
What's the word, Crass?
Oh, I've got a good word. Disingenuous. There we go.
Disingenuous. Useless.
It looks like it's turning from the outside. That's nice and free, but
no,
nothing.
And then where the housing was, where we took it out, yeah, that's going to need a clean. So we're going to give that a clean. We've got a new gasket and everything for the new pump, so we really just want to fit that as soon as possible, don't we?
Yeah.
Happy days. Cool. So Sam's had a good clean around. It's looking a lot better in there. So
still a bit more to.
Yeah, a little bit to do.
I think.
But just want to say thanks to Benny C for lending us his tools. So yeah, cheers for that, Benny C. Our mate Dean's mate of a mate. And a big shout out to the Tiger team as well. You know who you are. So that's free biscuits for me every time I come in your office. Lovely. Right, we'll keep cleaning and then we'll fit the new one. Okay, now Sam's successfully cleaned it up. It's now putting a little bit of instant gasket on, just so we can just have a bit of peace of mind really as we put it on.
We don't want to have to get this off again in a hurry really.
No, so get that on. Love the smell of that.
It was like salt vinegar crisp.
I think we said that before.
Yeah.
So yeah, the old one over there, don't need that anymore. The new one's in there. Once we've got this instant gasket on, we're going to line it up, but we'll probably do that off camera, as it'll probably need both of us to do it anyway. Cool. Cool, so quick update then guys, we've just fitted the new water pump, make sure all the bolts are in the right place. We put that instant gasket on. Sam's just tightening it up now, but he just said, how nice does that look now? New parts on engines.
No, there's nothing impeding that either, so we've made real sure to clean that out properly. I'm sure you saw pictures.
Yeah, looks amazing. And it just looks nice and shiny on the front, doesn't it? Can't believe the state of it. Oh, cheers for that. Again, we hark back to this look. I mean, we actually managed to, well, I can't do it now typically, but yeah, it just come apart in our hands. So that's not good. Oh no, focus is gone. Yeah, come apart. Horrific. Horrific. Oh Sam, what have you been doing?
Crank pulley back on.
Yeah.
Water pump on. All looking nice and shiny. Let's get a bit of light in here.
Oh yeah, that is looking nice. So yeah, so that's on now. So really, what's next, Sam? Belts, really, isn't it?
Yeah, we can get the belts on properly now. So we can tension it all up. We've had a. I know it still looks a little bit dirty in there, but we have had a bloody good clean, believe it or not.
Yeah, it does look.
Hopefully, it will show on the thingy on the camera.
On the camera, aye. So we'll stick the belts on. We'll put a time lapse on of us doing that because you know it's just belts. And then if you remember from the previous video, we detensioned the hydraulic pump, so we'll just have to do that again. We'll stick the belts on, and then as far as sort of that's concerned, while we're waiting for the radiator, that is, and some hoses, but that is pretty much really as far as we're going to take this engine down, isn't it, Sam? So
yeah, it's all like rebuilding now, and we can get it started as soon as we get the fuel system back together.
yeah. Fuel tank is something we're probably going to look into, aren't we? I think.
Yeah, I've got a new fuel tank for it. It's just it needs the filler neck altering a little bit. It doesn't come with it basically.
No. So yeah, we'll stick the belts on and go from there.
Yeah.
But again, light being our enemy, it don't look really dark on camera, but it is starting to get dark now, and it's perks of working in a garage outside, really, isn't it?
Yep.
It's sort of uncontrollable, but hey ho, we'll crack. Right then, so quick update. Sam's just putting in the fan. It's a bit of a bugger when we took it off because the holes are a bit of a bugger to line up, so we'll attempt to get this on somehow, and then it'll just be the belts. So what happened?
So just got the fan back on, lovely.
Yeah.
Went to try and detension the alternator, and the bolts just snapped off in there, unfortunately.
Yeah.
So we have to just take the alternator out, drill that out. I think we can use any old bolt on that. It's just a pinch bolt, so
Yeah, it's just a typical problem that you get with 40-year-old cars,
yeah,
isn't it?
it happens.
Yeah. So
At least we
crack
can
on.
clean the alternator up, can't we? So
Oh yeah, that's true. Always a plus side to it.
yeah.
Right, so we switched to phone. We've had to take the alternator out because the bolt we'd snapped. But we thought we had a spare one, but we didn't. So having a good look at this now.
And the end of the drill snapped inside
Yeah.
the bolt, so it's all going well.
Yeah, it's standard, isn't it?
Yeah.
But we can get access to it now from. Oh, where's my?
There's the head of the drill.
Oh yeah.
I might be able to knock that out.
I think we will. So what we're probably going to do is we'll keep playing along and that, but
Yeah.
we might not have many updates because it's getting a bit.
I'm gonna put that on a brick wall.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna get a punch in that and absolutely hammer the shit out.
Hammer the bleep out of it. Yeah, we had another one, but I don't know if you can see it very well. But
I think that's off GSC. That one.
yeah, it's much bigger.
Sorry.
Yeah, cool. Right then, there is the offending article.
It took a lot of perseverance to get that out. It was just,
Yeah.
it was basically welded in there, wasn't it?
Yeah, the thing was though, we just
It's
realised
crazy.
that it's threaded as well.
Although that is only the pinch bolt
Yeah.
at the top for this little adjusting bracket. So as long as there's something holding it on there, I think it'll be fine.
Yeah, well, it was the thing was we said, didn't we? The belt was loose anyway, so we had to get it off. So and we had to adjust it, and there's no way you'd adjust it on that.
It's just knackered.
Yeah, knackered. So
Yeah. But we won.
bit of perseverance, and we got it out.
We won.
Happy days. Right.
We might as well get it back in now.
Let's do it. Right then. So, Sam's just rewiring. Well, not rewiring, but just putting the earth back on the alternator. We just plugged it all back in. There's a spade connector and a couple of wires which we took off. We've just lined the belts up just to double check that we're right. As you can see, they're not fully tensioned yet. They're not brilliant, because what you've got to do is as you pull this up and tighten it, it pulls on the belt to get the correct tension.
But they're on in there.
And obviously that one that we sheared off through here will obviously tension that. But as you can see, Harry picked black bats. So we just wanted to make sure that we've got everything in the right place with the new water pump. So we're going to end the video here anyway. Like and subscribe, all that jazz. Oddjobs123 on Instagram, got Oddjobs on Facebook. You look really happy, Sam.
My back's killing me.
He's got his merch on, so he's double happy. Parts,
It's looking better though, isn't it?
yeah, it's looking really good now. It's all clean. And the thing is, from now on, it is just a rebuilding process.
Well, I think the only thing we've got to do is whip the rocker field right.
We can show you what that. We wanted to do like compressing test tonight as well.
Yeah, exactly.
So yeah, that'll be it for today. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one, part 7, coming soon. Bye, Sam.
See ya.